I need your help.
This way, quickly.
There's a man down here and he is trapped.
This way, yes, all right.
Please.
There's no need to panic.
No, I'm
It's all
not
right. Come
panicking.
along.
Let's go, please listen!
The hell with you.
I guess we'll find out. Come on. Wait. Try a couple practice things over there. Good. Now try and hit the same mark again, Rose. You can do it. Okay, it's enough practice. Come on, Rose. You can do it. Listen, Rose. I trust you. Go.